We begin with a call for donations to help Rockville residents affected by a recent 3-alarm fire. On Friday afternoon, February 2nd, fire broke out at Fireside Park Apartments in the 700 block of Monroe Street. More than 100 firefighters fought the fire in freezing temperatures and high winds. Once the fire was out, 33 families' lives would change forever. Those families lost their homes and everything in them. But you can bring hope to these families and other families in need by donating bedding, small household items, and furniture, or even volunteering your time through these organizations. You can volunteer to help distribute and organize donations with Rockville Housing Enterprises. Contact Tasha Dyson at 301-424-6265 extension 107 for more information. And Interfaith Works is also collecting clothing and small household items. Just drop off your donations at the Interfaith Works Clothing Center at 751 Twin Brook Parkway. For additional information, contact Rachel Sanborn at 240-641-6305. You can also email her. That email address is right there on your screen. And A Wider Circle is accepting furniture and household goods. You can drop those donations off at 9159 Brookville Road in Silver Spring. You can also call 301-608-3504 to find out more ways to help. And to keep up on the latest information about how to help our neighbors in need, check out our online newsletter at rockvillereports.com.